It's the evening of December 5, and yesterday we took delivery on 8 pallets of stone. The day before I picked up the saw. It's a 240 volt, 4 horsepower beast that is necessary for this type of stone that we're going to be doing a lot of cutting. Today I worked pretty hard trying to stay ahead of the 2 stone guys that were working today. I managed to get my switch points in here and a little cross strap, and I cut off all the bolts. You're wondering, why, what am I cutting bolts off for? All of the bolts for the splice bars here need to be trimmed back because the stone, you'll see, the stone guy needs enough clearance so that he can actually get stone in place. So there are very few things that have to be done. I've got to add a couple more clips. For instance, there's a big gap right here. Got to get a couple clips on the back side as well. And then if we look close, we can see I am finishing, well, I'm continuing on with this, this treatment for waterproofing and also for vibration. And I've got the first coat of my asphalt material on up to here, and I'm around the corner. Second coat is up here from here on. So here is how much we got done in one day with 2 very good stonemasons. So we're getting there. It takes a little while. We actually had the opportunity to use the cart to for my mason to actually move material so that we're not always having a wheelbarrow in the way. He's actually using the cart to deliver material, and he can work right off of that. So we have a drain in between. Here's my drain. It's not quite set yet, but he's got it lined up so that he'll be capable of putting this in tomorrow. He actually started right here this morning because he could get started before the saw could run. They started at 7:30, but 8 o'clock we were ready to get started, but we really wanted to wait a little while. On these pavers are actually cut out of big pieces of paver because they don't make this size. They don't make a 6x10, and that's like 6x9 and 5/8, I think is what it amounts to. And not bad for a day. I am kind of hoping that tomorrow, this is day 1, it always takes a little bit longer to get going. A lot of issues to work out, but I'm thinking that I want to be somewhere in this area tomorrow night. So, lots of progress, a lot of pavers to cut. Oh, we had 11 of these this morning. It looks like we have 2 left. That's 16 by 24. And after those are depleted, these are 24 by 24. The same with this pallet as well. So we're needing to cut, like I said, all of the pavers on this side will need to be cut, and every other paver back and forth here will need to get cut as well. And of course, this is going to seemingly take forever. Good progress.